In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store and connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Integrating these platforms can enhance your online presence and streamline your digital marketing efforts. It's a straightforward process that will enable you to reach a wider audience and possibly boost your sales. Let's dive right in to see how it's done. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find several options designed to help you manage your store, track analytics, and enhance your services. What you're looking for in this instance is the Sales Channels option. This is your gateway to adding more platforms where your products can be available to a broader audience. Upon selecting Sales Channels, you'll see a list of options pop up. From this list, you'll select the Facebook and Instagram channel. The integration of these two social media giants can vastly improve your store's visibility, given their massive user bases and